I used to know, like a lot of people in Malta way back in the day, they just used to remove the door from the microwave and just fucking keep that shit running in the middle over there.
Isn't that really bad for you?
Yes. For sure, of course it is. Like that's why I had to introduce the lock later on in the microwave. A lot of people are just doing it this way. They just remove the door, and it's easier. Just have the, just throw the shit in the microwave, have it spinning on the plate, and give the whole family cancer. It's great.